If your follow-up says, "just checking in," you are making the buyer do all the work. Here is how to use ChatGPT to turn a weak check-in into a follow-up that gives them a reason to reply. Bad follow-up. "Hi Sarah, just checking in to see if you had any thoughts." That sounds polite, but it adds no value, no context, and no decision help. It fails because the buyer has to remember the conversation, decide what matters, and figure out what to do next. Instead, start with real notes. Example, the buyer said ramp time is slow, handoffs are messy, and they need pricing before Friday. Use this prompt. Turn these sales call notes into a follow-up email under 120 words. Include the buyer priority, the agreed next step, and one simple question. Do not add facts that are not in the notes. ChatGPT might give you a decent draft, but it may still sound too polished or generic. Now do the human edit. Delete the generic opener, add the buyer's real priority, and make the next step easy to answer. Better version. "Sarah, you mentioned ramp time and messy handoffs are slowing the team down. I pulled together pricing and the workflow we discussed. Is Friday still the right day to review, or should I send a shorter version first?" For longer deals, use the same idea across a ladder. Recap, value add, objection reducer, decision prompt, and clean break. Save your best follow-ups by situation, so you are not writing from scratch every time. The workflow is simple. Paste real notes, ask for a focused draft, edit the generic lines, and send a follow-up with one clear job. If you want prompts like this, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.